Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model of paper pin in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch and we will select the exact plane, rotate the view. Now go to line command. From here construct a line, vertical line. First we will make a rough sketch, drag it down till here, here and till here we will end it. Escape. Now this is a rough sketch. Now go to dimensions. Take a total height of this will be 40 mm or take it 45 mm and this height will be 30 mm and this height, inner height will be 30 mm. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. Escape. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and this point. They are vertically aligned with each other. Escape. Now take the horizontal constraint, align this with this, similarly this. Okay. Now all vertically and horizontal alignments are done. Now go to line command, make a line passing through it. Escape. Select this line and make it a construction geometry. Okay, this is just for reference. Now go to symmetric constraint, select this and make them symmetric about this line. Okay, similarly select this and make them symmetric. Okay, now go to dimensions and give an angle between them at 120 degree. Similarly angle here 120 degree and this dimension, okay, this dimension total will be of 17 mm and this dimension here 15 mm. Okay. The top will be at 17, this outer profile, and inner will be at 15. Okay. Now we will give fillet to corners. So go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 2 mm, select this corner, this, this, this bottom, and this also. Okay. Escape. Now this is the complete sketch. Now finish sketch, and here we will construct a new plane. Go to plane, select this point and select this line. Okay. Now select this plane, create a new sketch. Go to circle command. You can rotate the view from here. On this point, make a circle of dia 1.6. Okay. Now go to 3D model and select sweep command. This profile is selected. For path, we have to select the sketch. You can see the top view. This will be the top view. And okay. Okay, here fillet is left. So double click this, double click. Here also go to fillet, give fillet here also, this and this. Okay. Now finish. Now you can see the profile. To make it more realistic, from here change the view to shaded and from here take the material as silver. We'll take silver. Go to home, and hide this. Select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now to make them a dome profile here, go to 3D model, go to fillet. As the dia of this is 1.6, so take a radius of 1.8, 0.8. Go to select edge and select this circle. You can see a dome profile. Similarly here and OK. Okay. So this is just a basic practice tutorial for Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.